This could be the car for you. The 2021 Chrysler 300. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The luxurious 300 combines traditional full-size sedan comfort and refinement with the latest in smart technology, resulting in a deliciously modern and sophisticated automobile. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, satellite radio, backup camera, heated mirrors, fog lamps, power passenger seat, heated front seat, Bluetooth connection, power driver seat. Experience the distinguished elegance of the 300. Come in for a test drive.